Once upon a time, there was a man who bought a box of pears. The hot weather was a concern for him, as he feared the pears would go bad. So, he decided to eat a few of the worst ones every day. Days went by, and the man found himself only eating the bad pears. He was so focused on the negative that he forgot about the good. This fable serves as a reminder of the dangers of only focusing on the negative. If we don't take action and instead let negativity consume us, we risk losing the chance to live a happy life. Just like the man in the story, we can choose to focus on the positive. By discarding the negative experiences and focusing on the good, we can lead a much happier life. Life is like eating pears. Every day, we must choose what we allow into our lives. If we only focus on the negative, we'll end up with a lifetime of unhappiness. But if we choose to focus on the positive, we'll shine brightly every day. By embracing positivity and joy every day, we can lead a fulfilling life. It's crucial that we don't let negativity hold us back and that we seize every opportunity to be happy. Remember, life is what you make of it, so choose wisely and live it to the fullest. This story serves as a reminder to always be grateful for the good things in life and to let go of the negativity. We hope this video has given you new insights into the story of the pear and how it relates to finding joy in life. Remember, life is like a box of pears. Some days you'll have great ones and others will be bad, but it's all about making the most of every moment and choosing joy every day. Thanks for watching.